Big letter X. Start writing here. Now here. Well done! Small letter X. Start writing here. Now here. Well done! Play puzzles as a reward. X is for xylophone.
If you like this video, please like it.